Hi, I am Steve Wexler, and I'm very much looking forward to being at the Marketing Analytics Summit in Phoenix in June, where I will be presenting building world-class business dashboards. We'll show you how to create dashboards that your users, that your stakeholders, that your partners, your collaborators will absolutely love and will help you and the organization you serve make better decisions faster. The myriad different chart types that you can use. And yes, sometimes a pie chart is the right choice, though most of the time it isn't. The effective use of color in data visualization, how to make your stakeholders, your collaborators, the people that you are working with, the hero of the dashboard and the attendant narrative. And because I would like to really hit home with this stuff, if you have examples, some of the work that you're trying to do that may not be succeeding to the degree that you want, please share it with me. You may have to redact some stuff or blur some stuff out. That's fine. But I'd love to see what you're trying to do. We can have a better discussion. Looking forward to it, and I hope you'll be joining me.